Hi, this is Rony Mullick, and you're watching the Post Market Show. What a beautiful breakout in Bank Nifty, all thanks to HDFC Bank results. So, HDFC Bank results are out, and the profits are higher than expected. It came out at 30%, and that is something what the markets were expecting, and it's beyond that. So, that is a good thing. So, HDFC Bank shot up, and as you know, HDFC Bank has a lot of weightage now in both Nifty and Bank Nifty because now it has merged with HDFC. So overall, Bank Nifty finally breaking out, and technically it is called a flag and pull breakout. And we did talk about this in the previous week's video if you have seen, and we were waiting for our breakout because on the daily charts this pattern was clearly visible. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So let me share the chart. Yes, this is the Bank Nifty chart, and this is the daily chart, as you can see. And this is what a flag and pole breakout means. So this is the pole. So let me draw the pole. Yeah, this is the pole, and this is the flag. And you can see a beautiful breakout. Bank Nifty from the day's low to the day's high has shot up close to 850 points. That is a fantastic rally, and it is very close to its all-time high levels. So Bank Nifty up by 1.41%, and that has significantly move the Nifty higher. So if you zoom into the 15-minute time frame, you can see exactly at which point the market had the breakout moment. So the first candle markets did open higher, but it was immediately sold into. But then there was a consolidation near 44,770 because that is an important support level. And then after 12:45 or 1 o'clock, you can see a clear breakout happening. And once that breakout happened, the first resistance 1 year was near 45,074-75 levels, and then you can see a clear breakout. Markets shot up immediately, almost close to 500 points after 2:30 p.m. So this is Bank Nifty, a fantastic rally in Bank Nifty on backs of HDFC Bank results. So that is good to see. Coming to Nifty, obviously the positive momentum did brush off on Nifty as well, and Nifty you can see from the first candle itself, it inched higher and higher. It was in an uptrend, a very good uptrending day, and after 2:30 or 3 o'clock, you can see a good rally coming in Nifty as well, ending at a new all-time high level of this is 19,711, up by close to 147 points. So this is Nifty and how it has traded today. So all the markets are in green. Nifty, mid cap, small cap, large cap, everything is in green. Mid caps are up by 0.3%, small caps are up by 0.78%. Sectoral indices, we are seeing I think most of the sectors have ended in the green excepting two sectors. One is Nifty auto sector, it is down by 0.32%, and the other one is Nifty reality, which is kind of flat, we can see, because of it is just down by 0.03%. Nothing major happening over there. Now talking about sectors which ended in the green, I told you all the rest of the sectors have ended in the green, and the best performing sector was Nifty Media, 3.15% up. And next is the banking sector. Definitely the PSU Bank index is up by 2.25%, and private bank is also up by 1.33%, and Fin Nifty is also up by 1.25%. So overall, the banking and financial sector has boosted the momentum in Nifty and the overall markets as well, and rest all the sectors have ended in the green, so I'm not getting into specifics. So this is the situation right now. If you look at the index movers, it was HDFC Bank all along, in contributing almost 58 points to Nifty alone. Then we have Reliance, State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank. So you can see all the banking sector and Reliance contributing Nifty on the positive side. On the negatives, TCS did drag the Nifty by 5.3 points, but that is not that important. Apart from that, Bharti Airtel, Tata Motors, ONGC, Infosys. So it was IT stocks which came under profit booking today, and they had a very good run in the last few days or weeks if you look at them. FIIDI data is interesting. It's a very less volume happening in both FIIDI levels because they have both ended as net buyers, but the volume is very less. We can see 73 crores buying from FIIs. DIIs have bought for 64 crores. So not much happening, but still they are net buyers today. Now this is the situation in the market, and let's look into the global markets right now, and let's see what is happening. The US markets are in the green today, so that is all fine. They are slightly in the green, not significantly, I would say. It is still below yesterday's high. S&P 500 up by 0.3%, Dow Jones up by 0.24%, Nasdaq continued to move up. It is up by 0.66%. And coming to Asian markets and European markets, we see that they are slightly negative is what I'm seeing. UK markets are kind of flat. French market is down by 1.12%. German markets are down by 0.23%. Asian markets are all down except Hong Kong market, which is up by 0.3%. Rest Japanese, Chinese, and Korean markets are all slightly negative. So global markets are not that positive. It's still kind of mixed because US is in the green, but the rest of the markets are slightly in the red is what we are seeing. And coming to India VIX, it has shot up by 5.9% today, and that is mostly because of the trending moves in the markets are definitely causing a lot of short covering, and also option premiums are spiking because of that. So that is why the VIX is up by close to 6% today. And coming to commodities, crude oil prices are down by 1.48%, and we did talk about this, that there couldn't be a one-way rally from 66 or 67 levels straight to 80 levels, so there has to be a pullback happening around these levels. So that is happening, and that is all good to see, and it should take support around these levels, and let's see what happens. So crude oil prices are down by 1.45%. Gold prices are also taking support, and that is again fine. It is around 1954. So this is the commodity. Dollar index is again stable around 99.8 levels. USD INR is again nothing much has happened. 82 is the level of USD INR. So this is the situation. Global markets are kind of mixed, you can say. Commodities and other and currencies are also kind of flat. So let's look into the open interest build up for this expiry 20th of July. So as you can see, we can see a lot of put build up happening in case of Nifty, because the way the markets moved up, a lot of short covering happened, and now 19,600 has the highest amount of puts, which is very, very close to the spot price. And upside, we are having calls written in at 20,000 level. So people are not betting much on the call side after the huge momentum today. So 20,000 is the level where calls are sold. Apart from that, 19,600 and 500 have the highest amount of put build up. So 9,600 is likely to act as a good support in the next few days. And Bank Nifty 20th of July expiry 45,000 now has the highest amount of call build up, put build up. So people are quite confident 45,000 won't be broken after a good breakout happening today. And you can see a lot of unwinding happening at 44,800, 44,900, and 45,000, and they were replaced with put options. And upside 45,500 has some amount of call, and then 46,000 has the highest amount of call build up. So put call ratio is indicating 1.56. Again, extreme bullishness is also there in Bank Nifty as well. So just a matter of one weekend, and things have changed once again. Bank Nifty, which was looking pretty bearish, has now turned very, very bullish. So this is what happens when there is a breakout and an 850 point move in a single day. So this is the situation right now. Economic calendar wise, today we had the GDP growth rate of China came out. It came out at 6.3%. Expectation was close to 7.3%, which is lower than expectation. So that is why it is kind of weak, the Chinese market. Apart from that, no other important data has come out today. Tomorrow we have the US retail sales data at 6 p.m. So you can watch out for that. We will discuss again, obviously. And tomorrow, Fin Nifty expiry. It's a Tuesday, so let's discuss that as well. Let's see where the Fin Nifty is trading right now. So yeah, Fin Nifty, it is trading at 20,301. It had a good breakout today as well, and So Fin Nifty is, if you look at the 15-minute chart levels, let's look at that. Yeah, it is a kind of between the resistance level of 20,398 and 20,067. So now what to expect is, since it is in an uptrend, we can expect it to open flat or maybe slightly gap up. So 20,400 will act as a resistance, and once that acts as a resistance, market falls from there, and if there's a second attempt to break 20,400, that could lead to a further rally, and if that happens, we can expect a target of all-time high levels, or even that could be broken as well. So 20,573 could be the next resistance after 20,400. So keep an eye out for that. Talking about supports, we can see 20,200 acting as a support, and the major support is around 20,067 levels in Fin Nifty, and it is most likely that it would be a non-directional day, because the markets moved up significantly today, so tomorrow can be kind of non-directional looking at the price action. So let's see what happens tomorrow. And coming to Nifty and Bank Nifty, very important. Nifty, as it has ended at again all-time high levels. Tough to say what's ahead. Definitely keep out for the round levels like 19,800, 19,900, 20,000. So those are the levels to watch out for. Down below 19,600 should act as a very good support because of open interest and also the previous all-time high levels. So that is going to be important, and followed by 19,523 and 19,432. So these are the supports. There are multiple supports, so no need to worry about that. And markets did spend some good amount of time making a base around 19,500 levels. So that is good to have. So Nifty up above round levels are to be kept in mind. Down below supports are 19,600, 19,500 and 19,400. Bank Nifty similarly, all-time high is the next target. Definitely 45,650 levels. Yeah, around that level you can expect resistance to come. So once the markets reaches that level, you can expect some sell-off, and once that is broken, and on the second half of the day, that can lead to a further trend. And if that does not happen, if there is a further fall, then you can expect markets to take support around 45,000 levels. So that should not be broken. And somewhere intermediate, if you want to look at 45,300 should act as a support in the middle. So this is the situation for tomorrow, and it is a Nifty expiry, and after today's run up, the markets could be taking a rest, and if there is a breakout at the second half of the day, that could lead to a further rally. Keep that in mind, and it could be volatile. Markets may move violently on both sides, but not move significantly on a close-to-close basis. So that can happen. The chances are high for that happening in case of Fin Nifty at least. So keep an eye out for that. This is all from my side. I think I've covered most of the points. Thank you for watching, and have a very good night.